So you'd like to add a new Shopify shop to your existing Omniconvert Reveal account. Just add a new shop, paste the domain, decide on a label, save. And you're gonna see here, you're gonna need a token. For the next steps, just click here on this link and add a new API key name. And we're gonna say Shopify. We're gonna generate the API key and we're gonna copy this connection token. And now we're gonna get back to the shop setup. We're gonna start the integration. We're gonna connect using Shopify. We're gonna add the app and we're on the permissions page. We can just install the app. We already have an account, so we're gonna sign in. And this is where we need to paste the connection token. So we're gonna paste it and connect. Next up, you have to choose what's the most important thing for you. And for me, well, I say they're all, but I have to choose one. So I'm gonna go today with improve the NPS. We're gonna have to configure the account. So you're gonna have to select your average shop margin. This is for you to decide based on all your products what would be an average for the margin that your shop is having. And I'm gonna put here, I wanna be rich, so I'm gonna put 66%. And I do want to have guest accounts consolidated with my customers' accounts. That means that if a guest is checking out using their email address that they have an account with, Omniconvert Reveal will automatically assign that order to the customer. And we're gonna start importing the data. It's gonna take a bit because my shop is not large, this demo account. It can take from 5 minutes to even 1 day, depending on your shop's volume of data. And that's it. We're ready to rock and roll. Launch Reveal Dashboard. And here we are.